Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Audi A4 B7 2 liters TDI. In order to get access to the AC condenser, first we need to remove the front bumper. In order to remove the front bumper, we need to remove the two wheel arch liners. In order to remove the wheel arch liners, first we're going to remove the two front wheels. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the two wheel arch liners, and then we're going to bring the wheel arch liners to the back so that we get access to the bolts holding the front bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll remove the bolts holding the front bumper here on the side. There's two nuts right there that we need to remove. These are the two nuts right there, and it's the same on the other side. Two nuts on the other side. On the other side, they're behind the windscreen washer tank. In between that hole right there, the two nuts. And as the nuts on holding the bumper on both sides removed, next we're going to remove the engine under tray and any bolts holding the front bumper to the chassis. In my case, the engine under tray is removed, so there's nothing to remove underneath. Now we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. That's one bolt right there. That's the second bolt. Third bolt is right there. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we're going to pull out the bumper, and it should come out fairly easily. There might be some electrical connectors that might need to be disconnected, depends on the model that you have. If you have parking sensors, there will be electrical connectors, or if you have those halogen lights as well. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the cooling radiator and also the AC condenser, but in order to get real access to it, first we need to remove this metal plate, and these are the two bolts that we need to remove. That's the second one, and the first one is on the other side. We also need to disconnect the two horns. Now that this metal plate is removed, we have access to the AC condenser. In order to remove the AC condenser, first we're going to remove those bolts that are holding this plastic cover, and the same on the other side. Next we're going to remove the 4 bolts holding the AC condenser to the radiator. That's 1 bolt, and the second one on this side and 2 on the other side. We also need to disconnect the 2 AC lines. That's 1 AC line right there, that's the bolt on the bottom, and the other AC line is on the other side. That's the other AC line that we need to disconnect, and then after we disconnect them and remove the bolts, we can lift up the AC condenser and replace it. When you put on the new AC condenser, don't forget to put about 50 milliliters of AC oil in it and then put it on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.